Eating herbs isn't just about adding flavor to our meals. It's a gateway to a treasure trove of health benefits that many of us overlook. Let's dive into the incredible world of herbs and discover how they can boost our well being. First off, let's talk about antioxidants. These powerful compounds help combat oxidative stress in our bodies, which can lead to chronic diseases. Herbs like oregano, thyme, and rosemary are packed with antioxidants that can help protect our cells from damage. Imagine sprinkling some fresh oregano on your pasta and not only enhancing the flavor, but also giving your body a fighting chance against free radicals. It's a win-win. Now, let's shift gears to flavonoids. These are a type of antioxidant found in many herbs, and they play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and improving heart health. For instance, parsley and cilantro are not just garnishes, they're loaded with flavonoids that can help lower blood pressure and improve circulation. So, the next time you're whipping up a dish, don't skimp on the herbs. They're not just for decoration, they're your allies in health. But the benefits don't stop there. Many herbs have potential medicinal properties that can aid in various health issues. Take ginger, for example. It's renowned for its anti inflammatory properties and can help with digestion. Adding ginger to your tea or stir fry can soothe an upset stomach and even alleviate nausea. It's like having a natural remedy right in your kitchen. And let's not forget about basil, which is not only delicious, but also has antibacterial properties. It can help fight infections and boost your immune system. So, when you're enjoying a fresh basil pesto, you're not just treating your taste buds, you're giving your body a little extra love. Incorporating herbs into your diet doesn't have to be complicated. You can easily add them to salads, soups, or even smoothies. Fresh or dried, they can elevate your meals while providing a wealth of nutrients. Plus, growing your own herbs at home can be a rewarding experience. It's simple, and you'll have fresh ingredients at your fingertips whenever you need them. Before we wrap up, here's a little nugget to think about. Did you know that just a handful of fresh herbs can provide more antioxidants than many fruits and vegetables? It's true. So, the next time you're at the grocery store or farmer's market, don't forget to load up on those vibrant herbs. Your body will thank you. If you found this information helpful, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What's your favorite herb to cook with? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into healthy living. Let's keep this journey going together.